morning, guys. We are in beautiful Murderford today at a HIP camp, and this was organised by one of the members from the Patriot Owners Group for Victoria and Tassie. Coming in, you can have a bite. So we're just waiting on a few more people to arrive today, but the weather's beautiful today.
Yeah, the sun's out, so looking forward to a few more people showing up and seeing everyone's setups, and yeah, it's going to be a great weekend with people that are passionate about Patriot like us.
Yeah, alright, we'll see you later on. Bye.
So we like having a Patriot because it means that we don't put things off until tomorrow, and we go and do things today and make memories for us as a family, and we visit new places and we meet new people and we make memories together.
I make new friends.
And we make new friends.
Outdoors.
And we're outdoors.
Yep, see lots of animals, more new places.
And we indoors.
That's right, you
And
can be
we're
indoors.
indoors in the camp trailer.
So Patriot life for us is being able to get away as a family to places where the caravanners can't, and the kitchen, I love camp cooking, so a nice kitchen and being able to sort of potter around and cook something amazing up. Yeah, that's probably it for me.
Be self-sufficient.
So a few of the crew have decided to do a few tracks out here, so yeah, it's going to be a fun afternoon. You.
All I got out of that was, how confident are you? How confident are you?
Pretty confident.
Pretty confident? Alright, let's go.
4 low.
4 low?
Yep. We'll go without a locker. We'll see how we go.
there.
So what is Patriot Life to us?
Patriot Life to us is being able to quickly pack our stuff in and hit the road.
We're pretty much, yeah, everything's in there ready to go.
Being easily accessible is Patriot Life, and being able to get to places like this where we have enough of our own goods like electricity, water, things like that, to be able to sustain a good couple of days.
The most important thing is to make memories as a family.
To make memories as a family. What did you think of this weekend?
The weekend was great to meet other people that are like-minded, and
so thank you to Mark.
Yeah, thank you to Mark
and his family for organising, and because we had an amazing time, and we know that whether you like us or don't, and we're going to be going on a few trips together to come.
Definitely, we have to do it again.
Yeah,
definitely.
Yeah. Why this spot? What drew you to this spot?
I like getting to places where there's a bit of a view, and the high, this is not real, it's the bottom of the high country, so somewhere really fairly close to Melbourne and whatnot, a bit central to a few people. So, and it's an amazing spot here. The views are amazing. The weather, we had a couple of showers, but it was good to sit around the fire with a few new friends and talk about all our Patriot experiences and whatnot, and yeah, we'll definitely be doing it again.
That's it from us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you on the next one, Roaming the Realm.